Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. We're going to talk about fiber pads and drivers for 175 buffer machines right now. I'm going to start off with the drive plates. Your standard fiber pad drive plate. This one does have a riser on it. So, for example, this one is actually a 19-inch drive plate. It fits on a 20-inch machine. So basically the topic of this video is to talk about sizes, just to make sure everybody's ordering the right pads, drivers, whatever. So if you have a 20-inch machine, you need a 19-inch driver. If you have, say, like a 18-inch machine, you want a 17-inch driver. However, if you have a 17-inch machine, you want a 16-inch driver. The main reason for that is you want the edges of the driver to fit up inside the shroud of the 175 buffer machine. Moving on to the fiber pads you're putting on this machine, you want it to be a little bit bigger so that it sticks out across the edge. So on this 19-inch driver, we're going to put either a 20 or a 21-inch pad. So you can see we've got all kinds of pads here. We have everything from a 13-inch on the bottom up to we have up to a 21-inch up on the top shelf there. So a full variety of pads. Everything we have the white, tan, blue, green, red, black. All for cleaning, scrubbing, stripping. So then we move on to the bristle brush drivers. So notice this one does not have a riser. So this one you actually want to be 2 inches smaller than the shroud. So for example, this looks probably like a 15-inch driver or 15-inch block on the brush, which will fit on a 17-inch machine. So when you guys are ordering brushes, this one specifically it's a Mal Grit brush. It's used for scrubbing tile and grout for the most part is what we sell them for. So if you have a 17-inch machine, you want the 15-inch block with a brush. If you have like a 19-inch machine or a 20-inch machine, then you want the 17 or the 18-inch. So that's pretty much all I have for today. Just want to explain that so when you guys are placing orders, you're ordering it the right size. We do have it on the description as well of the products, just as a reminder, but always order your drivers down 1 inch, your brushes down 2 inches, and your fiber pads up 1 or 2 inches so that it goes past the side of the shroud. Again, Dave from Clean Pro Supply. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.